Hey there, I'm Crystal, content director and photographer at Crystal Clear Photography. I want to talk to you today about how I gather inspiration for my product and stock photos. Gathering inspiration and coming up with unique ideas is very important, especially in a world where there's tons of content being created all the time, and we want to be able to stay unique to our business as well as our followers. To start, gathering new ideas and inspiration is so much fun and it's so easy to do. Naturally, we're always curious and searching through things like social media, Google, Pinterest. We watch a lot of TV. We look through newspapers and magazines, of course. So I gather inspiration from all of those types of areas. So what I start with is a concept. What am I trying to shoot? Or maybe what am I trying to shoot around if you're a product-based business? Maybe you have, for instance, oils and you sell essential oils and you're looking for a couple of ideas as to how you can shoot a couple of stock photos around your new oil blend that you just created. So maybe you're going through Google and you can search for things like oils, oil inspiration, oil blends, oil mixes, how to make oils, different things like that. They're going to pull up different types of oil photos and oil inspirations that you can utilize. Gather things that you like. Maybe you like a certain photo, but you only like the prop or the bowl that the person happened to use in that picture. Maybe you only like the background from a specific item. That's totally okay. Grab these images and pin them. I pull images from things like Google, Instagram, Pinterest. I pull them from magazines all the time. And then I go through and I create a mood board of sorts. I go on Pinterest, I create a secret board that I keep just for myself for this particular inspiration, and I go through and I'll pin those items. So those images that I pull up on Google, I'll pin it, and then in the note I make sure to comment that I liked the bowl specifically in this picture, or I liked this particular backdrop, or I love the fabrics that they're using in this particular instance, or the different types of things they might use to layer, like some of the magazines, or maybe the oil book from doTERRA, or some different things like that that you can incorporate. So I go through and I pick those different images and I pull the things that I like. And then after I'm done with that and I've put all of these things on this board, I take a break and then I come back to it again and I see what things about it that I like and how those things might be similar, where there are similar tones and things that I can pull through. And then I create my shopping list. Everyone loves to shop. So of course, this helps you then go through and decide, well, what props can I get? I really liked this bowl, so I'm going to go out and I'm going to look for a gray bowl. I really liked this white tile background, so I'm going to head over to Home Depot and I'm going to see if I can get some tile samples that I can piece together to create that white tile background. Going through and finding a few things like that and then just making sure that they complement are going to help you create a nice, unique look, pulling from different things that you already like, but creating something new. For more content and tips and tricks and helping you in your photography and content creation for your business, make sure to click subscribe below, and I'll see you next week.